Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a 10-minute tidy where I'm going to be racing against the clock, trying to get as much as I possibly can done in 10 minutes. I also want to mention really quickly that today's video is in collaboration with another YouTube friend of mine, Living with Morgan, here on YouTube, and Morgan's channel is so awesome, you guys. You will really enjoy it. She does a lot of cleaning videos, but she also does other things like mommy videos and stuff. Like she just did recently a video about how to do proper self-care, especially self-care for moms. I think it's so important for us to be taking time for ourselves, especially in these crazy times that we're living in now. So I really enjoy her videos, and I think if you guys like my channel that you will like her as well. So definitely go and check out her channel, tell her that I sent you, and if you are coming over from Morgan's channel, I would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. I do a ton of cleaning motivation videos. I also do things like the law of attraction, mommy content, that sort of thing. I have one son, a 3-year-old son, and I'm pregnant currently with my second son. So I'm talking a lot more about that as well. And yeah, we just have a lot of fun over here. So I'd absolutely love it if you would hang out with us and hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Okay guys, so we're going to be focusing on the kitchen and the bedroom in this video. So there's not too much that needs to be done. I need to unload the dishwasher in here, load it back up here, and just a quick little tidy, and then we will move on into the bedroom. So in the bedroom, of course, we've got clothes on the floor as usual, and I need to make the bed, and then I need to just kind of clean off my dresser there. So once again, not too much. This should all be doable in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to start by unloading the dishwasher, obviously, so that I can put all of my other dishes into it. So that's the major task that I need to get done in the kitchen during this 10-minute tidy. So once I get everything out of the sink, I think there's some bigger dishes in there that I need to hand wash, but I'm not going to even bother with that during these 10 minutes. I'm just going to leave like the large pans and stuff in the sink, and I will get to those later. I just want to kind of get rid of this huge pile behind me of dirty dishes.
Gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. Over the coming days, let's cut to the chase. We're gonna beat this maze, let's go deeper. I wanna reach it all. Taking a leap or fall, I'll get to you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. Hold your gun, cut the wire.
Now comes one of my favorite parts, and that's loading the dishwasher. I would much rather load it than unload it. Let me know in the comments down below if you're the same. I feel like nobody likes to unload the dishwasher, but I feel like a lot of people like to load it because it's just satisfying. It's also kind of like a game of Tetris too.
Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for desire. Hold your gun. bone. A rider in the night. I'm heading for
Okay, so now we are done in the kitchen and we're going to move on into the bedroom. And once again, the biggest task here is making the bed. So once I get that done, then it's just simply picking up a little bit, and this is my major task. So that's what we're working on first.
live high, live high, live high. Destiny can never win a game I throw. Closing the door doesn't break my flow. Heavy goes away when I aim my bow. Nothing to fear, let the arrow go. A soldier of love I am. A soldier of love I am. A soldier of love. Hiding in the dark, I bring illumination, a fire or a spark, depends on the occasion. Live high, live high, live high, live high, live high, live high. Destiny can never win a game I throw. Closing the door doesn't break my flow. Heavy goes away when I aim my bow. Nothing to fear, let the arrow go. A soldier of love I am. A soldier of love I am. A soldier of love.
Okay guys, so I was able to get the bed made and the clothes picked up. I just about finished the top of this when my time ran out. So basically just needed to tidy it up just a little bit more, get rid of this can, and we would have been good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope I was able to inspire you to get up and get something done. Even if you only have 10 minutes, you can get a lot more done in 10 minutes than you think that you can. And once again, make sure you go over and check out Morgan's channel. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Tell her that I sent you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Holden, are you hiding? Holden, where are you? Holden. Where are you? I see you! Is that funny? You're silly.
Now I'm going to hide in the right.
You're a silly goose.
Hide on the right. Watch. I can't get it.
You can't get it? It's all twisted up. Mommy's got to make the bed.
Not twisted. I can't get it out.
Oh. Oh, that's a tough job.
I can.
Careful. What's your kitty? You're goofy.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.